What's the meaning of addressable? Addressable. 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 Addressable refers to the ability of a system or device to be targeted or accessed by a specific address or identifier. In technology, this typically refers to memory or storage locations that can be directly accessed and manipulated by the central processing unit or other components. An addressable system can be more efficient because it eliminates the need for searching or scanning through large amounts of data to find a specific point. This also enables more precise control over the system, allowing for targeted changes or updates without affecting unrelated areas. Overall, an addressable system offers greater flexibility and efficiency in managing and utilizing stored data.